Oh, Mavic Mini 2. Not so fast. Now, I'm going about my merry own business as normal. Wake up looking at tweets and leaks. And of course, Oscelito LV, whatever his name is, probably the biggest leaker for all DJI stuff, tweets something of what the Mini looks like. And then I see a link below to a YouTube video. I'm like, whoa, gotta check this out, YouTube video. I head over to the YouTube video, link in the description below, and lo and behold, this guy walks into Best Buy and picks up a Mavic Mini 2. Now, he can't fly it, but he's got the box. You can see the controller. Here's what the controller looks like. Here's what the batteries look like. Here's what the drone looks like. And this one has got, I've got the specs, screen recorded right here. The specs are, well, it's got a 4K camera. You can see that. It says 4K camera, right? That's a big plus. That's what the battery charger looks like. Very similar to the original Mavic Mini battery charger. It's got Mini 2 written on it. Looks just like a Mavic Mini 1. But look at the box. It's got a Fly More package like the Mavic Air 2 bag. It's got a controller like the Mavic Air 2. He didn't mention the price, but I'm averaging the price will be about the same, or probably like $100 more maybe. Why? Because you get Ocusync, ultralight and foldable, less than 250 grams. So that's huge if you live in places like Canada, where just to fly recreational, it's like you gotta lose an arm and a leg. You're under the 250 grams, so you don't need to go through that strict, rigorous testing. Canadians, are you watching this? But the beauty is you still get the 31 minutes flight time. You get Ocusync 2.0. Now, even though it's light, even though you got to be careful with the wind, you can still fly very, very far with Ocusync 2.0. So you don't have to worry about transmission breaking up. You can literally be anywhere. Does this mean it'll work with the smart controller? We'll just have to see. It has a higher wind resistance, so we'll see how good that is. They probably beefed up the motors, who knows. Has a 3-axis gimbal, 4K panorama, quick shots, one tap. Does not say follow me. We'll have to wait and see what that does. Right? But either which way, if you guys love the Mavic Mini 1, like I love the Mavic Mini 1, I'm so excited about this because of Ocusync 2.0. If you've never flown a drone with Ocusync 2.0, it's the greatest feeling in the world. But go check out this guy's video, link in the description. He unboxes it. You see everything in there. I mean, there's nothing more for me to say except go check it out. This is exciting. I saw this online, had to share it with you guys. I hope this is helpful. Get ready, Mavic Mini 2 is coming. Of course I'm gonna put my hands on it. Of course I'm gonna test it out. I'm gonna make tutorials, and I'm gonna share it with you guys. Guys, hit thumbs up. Make sure you like this video till it turns blue. Hit subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and hit the bell notifications to get notified when I get the Mavic Mini 2. I'm headed over to Best Buy right now. I'll see you guys whenever I can. Big shout out to Autonomous Drone Services and MadMixTube.com for providing us with the equipment to make these videos possible. I'm still giving away 6 DJI Mavic 2 Pros or Zooms. Head over to my Patreon account, donate $1, become a patron, and automatically you're entered to win a chance to win one of 6 of those drones. Guys, let's make this happen. Come on, support me and help me support you.